Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to pair the Apple Pencil now. Start by confirming the pencil has charge and the iPad is unlocked with Bluetooth enabled. Once done, remove the pencil's cap to reveal the Lightning connector. If your iPad has a USB-C port, attach the official Lightning to USB-C adapter so the pencil can physically connect. Insert the pencil briefly into the port until the pairing prompt appears on screen. Tap Pair when prompted. This establishes the initial Bluetooth handshake and registers the pencil with your iPad. Once paired, make sure the iPad reports the pencil as connected in Settings Bluetooth. This confirms the link. Next, go to Settings Apple Pencil to enable features like double tap and to see battery level. Adjust any gestures you prefer. If the pencil briefly disconnects, remove and reinsert the pencil to reinitiate pairing, then wait a few seconds. Make sure apps have Canvas or handwriting support enabled. These steps ensure both OS recognition and app compatibility, so pressure and tilt input. Finish by testing the pencil in Notes or a drawing app. Draw lines, try erasing, and use any double tap gestures. This verifies latency and pressure response. If strokes skip or feel loose, tighten or replace the tip. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, charge the pencil for 30 minutes, restart the iPad, then go to Settings Bluetooth, choose the pencil. Tap Forget this device and repeat the pairing sequence. This clears stale pairing data and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.